Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Jain, all the faculty members present here, all the students and their parents. It's really an honor to present here, to be able to talk to you. First of all, I would really like to congratulate you all that you've cleared the toughest exam, that you have been able to make it to this place. Give a round of applause for yourself. So, before I start, let me tell you an incident when it was a time when we got our results out. I belong to a small town called Jabalpur. It's in Madhya Pradesh. How many of you from Madhya Pradesh? Anyone? Oh, I can see few hands. There we had a Samman Samaro, which was organized by Punjab National Bank. All the students who got selected in IIT, they were awarding those students. There they had invited one of the alums from IIT Bombay for us. There he was supposed to actually tell us that what you should do in IIT, you should expect from these 4 years, and what is an IIT. The student was very smart, very influensive. He came on the stage. He was a second year student. He came on the stage and he said, I won't take much of your time. I will not talk a lot. I'll just tell you in simple 3 words that IIT is life. After 10 years, so it was 2008, it's 2018 now. After 10 years, I'm going to tell you the exact same thing, that IIT is life. These 4 years, this is the life that you will live on your own terms. This is the life that will give you direction, that where do you want to go next. This is the life where you will experience each and every emotion that exists. You will cry, you will smile, you will fight, you will laugh, you will achieve, you will fail, you will succeed, you will celebrate, you will do everything here, but on your own terms. That's the most important part. We were 89 students in 2008. We joined as pioneer batch in IIT Gandhinagar. After looking at this campus, you guys are so lucky. I just feel that you guys are so lucky that you've got so many facilities in place, such a beautiful campus. I'll tell you what we had. In 2008, when we started off, we had one auditorium. Obviously, awesome faculty members with us. Everyone was supporting us. One auditorium where all the lectures used to happen, all the visiting professors who were coming, they were giving lectures to us. All the extracurriculars used to happen, all the cultural events used to happen. If there is something that there is a competition that you need to organize it there. So auditorium was everything to us. Second, we had a half terrace, an open terrace, very beautiful environment, and that was working as a mess, food mess for us. Third, we had a borrowed building from Adani Builders, which was a 1 BHK apartment building right across the road. That was our hostel. So compared to these facilities, we had nothing. But hence we had an opportunity to create everything. All 89 of us were so excited to be a part of this journey, to contribute towards making a fantastic school like Indian Institute of Technology. IIT is very famous in the world. You will hear a lot of things about if you've become an IITian, you would do this, you would do that, and that's actually true. But the luckiest part was that we had been part of that journey, and we had been able to contribute towards, there were such small ideas like starting our own cultural festival. And what should we name that cultural festival? So Blitzcron was named in our year, and I still remember there was a story behind it. I'll tell you guys later that every event, how it was formed. Our first election, we had Jashn, we had Halla Bol. I'm sure some of them are still continuing even after 10 years, but we started those festivals, and the only thing what I realized after 4 years, that you just need to start. These 4 years, IIT Gandhinagar will give you a platform where you need to think on your idea and you just need to start. That becomes the most important quality of any of the individuals out there, which is entrepreneurship. That quality will make you a world-class leader whichever field you want to grow, and that base is built right here. These 4 years will give you that platform, will give you that opportunity to do something on your own. I'll tell you another incident, which was another core, which was built then and which had actually changed my life later. So, as I told you, we were living in one of the buildings from Adani Builders, 1 BHK apartments, and because we were 89 students, 8 girls in 89 students. I'm really glad to hear that now that the ratio has increased in the institute, 15% of the girls is really a very good number here. So 8 girls, obviously we couldn't get our own hostel then. So in one building on the 3rd floor, so it was 5-floor building, each floor had some 6 apartments, every apartment had 4 students. On 3rd floor, 2 of the flats were assigned to us, 8 girls. And the other 2 corner flats were of the boys. Now, I can still see some of the parents' reaction. Our parents got so worried. They were like, how can our girls live with the boys in the same apartment? So, because of their worry, there's suggestions coming in. They're like, we should build a wall, we should have a grilled gate. So we should do a partition in between so that girls and boys, they cannot interact with each other much. I'm sure in parents' mind, that's the first thought that you have. Of course, it's very important for girls' safety. So that was the situation. Now, Professor Yagnik and Major General Aga, we really miss him now. So both of them were taking care of us then. So they decided not to do such a thing. There was a suggestion that we should have 24/7 warden because there were no wardens then in that particular building. There was a security guard, but they didn't take such a decision, and the comment from their end was, our students are grown up now. I know you've recently done your 12th class, you've got good grades, you've done your JEE, you cleared your JEE, but in your parents' mind, you are still a child. But this institute minds, this institute treats you really in a really different manner. As Jason sir just said, you are already treated as mature. So responsible decision making is something which you will realize in these 4 years that you have to take your own decisions. Obviously, student guides are there, faculty members are there, everyone is there to help you. But you have to take your decisions and you have to own your decisions. Whether it's a success or a failure, it doesn't matter. The important part is that you take your own decision and you become independent after that. That is the second core that will take you to a next level when you go out there after 4 years. But don't hesitate. My only suggestion is don't hesitate to do anything on your own, to decide something, to go ahead and launch something, to discuss something. This is a platform. These are the 4 wonderful years that you've got with you, as per my experience. Obviously, individuals have different experiences in their lives. In these 4 years, everyone will become something else. And now that we are talking about becoming something in life, so how many of you, I'm sure a lot of us have felt there's a pressure at every stage that you need to get good marks, or you need to get very good grades, or you need to have a very brilliant achievement at this stage. I'll give you an example. For example, when you were in 5th and 8th grade, your parents were like, beta 5th and 8th grade में अच्छे marks ले आओ, and then उसके बाद आप अपने हिसाब से पढ़ना, हम कुछ नहीं कहेंगे आपको, everything on your own. Then you are in 10th class, you're like, board exams hai, you really need to score good. It's really, really important for your career, for everything. I totally agree with everything. Then they say, JEE, IIT में चले जाओ, life set है. It's true. It's actually true. But now that I have seen life after IIT, it's been so many years, believe me guys, it's not over. It's the beginning. This is the beginning. So IIT, 4 years, you will run for your good grades, you will do extra curricular activities, you'll want to be on top of that. Then you would either get a job or go for higher studies. If I give you my example, you get a job, you do good there, you go for higher studies, then you good there, then you join any of the corporates, you become a manager, then senior manager, and then director, then VP, president, CEO, MD, have your own startups, and what? It doesn't end. What matters is how exactly you are achieving those milestones. How does a journey look like? Are you really able to enjoy that journey? These 4 years are right there to give you the basic platform so that you not only realize what you want, it will give you a confidence to achieve your dreams, to achieve what you really want to do in life. It doesn't matter what you're doing after 4 years. Some of you might be able to see your next goal, some of you might not be able to see your next goal. That's fine. But one thing I can promise you, that after 4 years, you will go out there, and if someone asks you, you'll be able to say that life mein kuch na kuch to kar lenge. Don't worry about me. That becomes the confidence is something that the institute will give you, especially IIT Gandhinagar, because the kind of opportunities you get here to work with such great personalities, such great faculty members, such great staff members, then your fellow students, you will have everything here. So at the end, the only thing that I want to tell you is study hard, play hard, make as many mistakes as possible. This is a very generic saying, but still I'm saying this. Don't take a lot of pressure. Everything is important. I'm sure you will balance it out in some or another manner, because this is the learning path. Try not to hurt anyone. As Yash rightly said, make a lot of friends, make lifetime friends, because this is a journey which will make you yourself. You will be proud of yourself after 4 years. Thank you so much.